I'm going to open these up and go ahead and take out my filters, and I'll show you what they look like now that they've been in for over a year. All right, y'all, not too bad, but definitely it's got some gunk. You can see kind of this arc on one side. You can see across the edge of the other. So, you know, when I first pulled them out, I'm like, man, they're not that bad at all. But, you know, once I flipped them over and got a good look at them, yeah, they definitely need some love. It's been a pretty dusty year, and we've had some fires around here, so they definitely got some smoke particles in here. So it's good to clean them. So you're going to want to take your cleaning solution provided in the kit. You're going to run it in beads down each one of the veins and give it 10 minutes to soak in. And then you're going to wash it out very gently with a hose, and you want it to go through in the air direction, right? So don't force it the wrong way. So make sure that when you look at your filters, that you're pushing the air through the proper side, right? So this is the clean side. You wash from the clean side out the dirty side. That way you're not forcing dirt further up into the clean side. Does that make sense? Okay, so I'm going to soak all these down, or put all the cleaning solution on, let it sit 10 minutes, and then wash them out. All right, so I'll post-wash, both looking significantly better. So now I'm just going to put them up in a safe space to dry. I normally give this process about 24 hours. Now, it could be that they're drier sooner, but I usually set them out for about 24 hours to make sure that they are completely dry before we re-oil. And I'll show you that process once we're ready, but now I'm just going to put them up, put in a good safe place. Don't put them out in the sun. They may cause them to shrink. You don't want the material to shrink at all. Don't force air through them. Don't force heat through them. Just put them in a good safe place and let them air dry out on their own. It's okay to gently shake out the additional water because that'll help, and that might cut down your drying time a little bit depending on where you are. But now we're just going to put them up,